Hello friends, I have seen most of the people they make complaint about life. Some say that life is full of struggle. Some say that life is very tough. Some people they say that life is full of problems. But now the question is this: who has made this life tough? I have some different thoughts. I don't think that life is very tough. I think that if life is tough, then we are responsible for making life tough. If life has the problems, who has created these problems? We have created these problems. So in fact, life is very easy. It is full of happiness. It is full of pleasure. But we people have made this life tough, and we have made it full of problems. So through this video, I would like to suggest you a few points, and I assure you that if you follow these points, you can make life very easy. You can make life free from troubles, free from problems. The first thing is this, that if all the people perform their duty honestly and properly, it is my guarantee that 50% life will become very easy. Actually, when people don't perform their duty properly, then they create problems for other people. And those people who suffer because of these people, they try to take revenge from other people by creating problems for them. They think that if this gentleman has created problem for me, I will create problem for others. So if all the people decide to perform their duty honestly, properly, there will be no problem and life will become 50% easy. It is my personal experience that 70% people, they are not ready to perform their work. They perform their work when they are forced by someone. 30% people, out of these 30%, 20% people are those who perform their duty willingly, and 10% people are those for them work is worship. So I want to suggest to all the people that you must adopt this English proverb in your life, that work is worship, work is devotion. Your work gives you food. So perform your work, perform your duty honestly, properly. Never neglect your duty. The second thing is this, that life means giving and taking. But what we do, we always remain ready to take. We are not ready to give. This thing creates problem. This thing makes life tough. We want this thing, we want to take that thing, we want to take this thing, we want to take the thing of that person, we want to take the thing of that person. But we are not ready to give anything. So we should follow this rule in our life, that life means to take and to give. Not to take or not to give, that is not life. But if you only take and don't give, this is one side of life. But if you give and you take and you give, that is life, that is complete life. The next thing is this, that some people, they have the tendency to give tension to others. they always remain ready to give problems to others. They never come forward to help others. They never come forward to solve their problems. If they find that this person has one problem, they try to give more and more problems to that person. In this matter, they become somewhat selfish. They think it is his problem. It is not my problem. But we must understand that if you give problems to others, others will also give problems to you. If you solve their problems, they will remain ready to solve your problems. So give up this mentality to trouble others, to give problems to others, to torture others, mentally as well as physically. And the last point is this, that if you are a selfish person, you will also create problem for others. Today people have become selfish. They are not ready to live for others. They are ready to live for themselves. If you live for themselves, they will live for themselves. Others, they will live for themselves. Then who will come forward to help a troubled person? We are human beings. And if we are human beings, we must have humanity. And the main quality, the first quality of humanity is to live for others. There is a proverb that man lives for others and animal for itself. So always keep this idea in your mind that you are human being and you have to live for others. So friends, if you perform your duty properly, and if you believe in the principle of taking and giving and giving and taking, and if you never try to give troubles, problems to other people, and if you perform your duty selflessly, if you are not selfish a person, then you can make life easy. And if all the people who are living in this world, they start following these 4 rules, I can assure you that life will become very easy, and you will never say then that life is very tough, life is full of problems. Then life will become easy, it will be full of happiness, it will be full of joy, and then you can get the pleasure of living a perfect life. Thanks.